Hi guys! Good morning, and today I'm gonna do my own version of humba. This will be a very short clip, ulam for myself today. I'm sure it's gonna be for the rest of the week. So, mag-start muna tayo. I'm gonna show you what's my ingredients. Like what I said, it's my own version. So, I don't know what you guys have in your ingredients for your adobo slash humba. So here I have these are my ingredients. I got some tomatoes, I got some onions, garlic, and some chili pepper, and so here I got my pork. I already chopped them into bite size. I have minced garlic that goes with the clove garlics that I have, and then I have the whole ground black pepper. I got the ground black pepper, salt. I like the sea salt, but since I don't have any, I got the iodized. And then I have bay leaves, which I got this from Asian store. And then I have vinegar, and I have soy sauce, and I have brown sugar. And these are the two that my late father and my brother taught me what's the secret ingredients. This is the little bit of Ajinomoto, and instead of using water, we use soda to make the adobo slash humba that I am really craving about today. Actually, I did this last week too, but I didn't film it. So now that I'm making it again, I'm just trying to remember the ingredients that my brother taught me. So first thing first, I preheat the oil, the pan, and I put a little bit of oil. I'm gonna make my pork crispy, so I'm gonna fry them for a few minutes.
Isa-isa ko siya, so it won't be so crowded.
So here it is. I'm still trying this one just para crispy. And then I'm just gonna add the onion. So I'm just gonna add the onions. So don't mind about what I'm using this pan, because it was already in the dishwasher, and I don't want to make more dishes. That's why I use that one. So after the onions, I'm gonna put the garlic. I don't know why I chopped the tomatoes, but I'm not gonna use that one. I was gonna use that for my squash.
according to your taste. Yeah. And first I'm gonna add more a little bit later. Some soy sauce and garlic and onions and bay leaves. So good. And now we're gonna put the vinegar. On the vinegar, use a little bit of it, not too much, so you don't want it so soury flavored. That's actually much.
So that's how it looks like after those ingredients. And I'm just gonna simmer this for a little bit, and then we'll be back in 2 minutes.
So this is how I learned from my mama, rinsing the rice.
And use your fingers. Like you can use the middle one, like in this line right here. But since I only have 2 cups of rice, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of water, just like here.
Listo gamiton ang ikatulong tulo. Kaya maingan kami lang nag-violate na. Too much water.
So this is how you make rice. 2 scoops of rice, and you're just gonna use your fingers, your middle finger. And since I only have 2 scoops, I just use just like this of a water. It's not from the deep, it's from the top of the rice, and then just like that of the water. You don't have to go deeper from the rice or to the rice. Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna pour my soda now. Just enough because ganahan ko lang na isabaw-sabaw, so it should be fine. Okay, add a little bit more. Like what I said, you can use how much as your taste. Okay. And then I'm gonna add the brown sugar. That should be fine. Add a little bit more. I like sweet. And the last is the Ajinomoto. So let's sit that for another 25 to 30 minutes. And let's just put the cover in. Yes, this is point. Ngaon! Kaya mag-focus ako kaon kay gutom na ko.